Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we will be doing another beautiful scenery, but we will be doing two in one side one scenery, night scenery, and the other side day scenery, and in the middle we will be doing a beautiful tree. And if you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new videos. So friends, let's get started. Used here lemon yellow, I've used mid yellow, and then orange, red, or you can say scarlet. I have used here the crimson red, and the last one I have used the dark burnt amber. Here I have used in the night side white, cobalt blue. This is ultramarine, and the last one that I have used here is the Persian blue. So now we will blend the colors. Once we have blended the colors in this way, then we're going to blend it the other way to properly blend the whole colors together. So guys, we have blended the day side colors. Now we will start the night side and we'll blend it through. Once we are done with the rough blending, now we will blend it properly. So the middle part we will do the night side, and the other half part we will be doing the day side. I'll be using the toothbrush for the night side for the little stars. So now we will start the tree in the middle part of day and night. So guys, we have done the whole branches of the tree. Now we have chosen, I have taken a fan brush, and then I'll be doing the leaves over the parts of branches, just randomly like this. So now, using the same fan brush, we will be drawing some bushes at the very bottom of our painting. So now I have chosen the small brush for more details. And guys, we are done with the day and night scenery. And now the asthma time. So guys, here is the final look of the painting. Hope so that you like it. Please let me know in the comment section below that you liked and you have tried this one. And see you with the another beautiful painting again. And if you like it, please press the like button and see you with the next video. Bye.